Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about two ticker symbols. The first one is CVNA and the next one is COSM. Both of these stock has very high short interest. They can move a lot. During this weekend, I also released two videos. One was on ticker symbol GNS and the other one is BGFT. Please watch those two videos as well because last week they had a nice run and they could pop even more. So if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, also join my community. Just go to the website thestockanalyst.com, click on get daily trade alert. You will be taken to my Patreon where you can join my community and you can get access to my Discord for daily trade alert, updated chart and everything. So many different things we have. Let's talk about CVNA. First of all, we know this thing has been moving within a range. You can see that 8.2, that's the upward range, and bottom side 6.18. For a swing, this is a nice play. You can see that it's a 30% movement between the channel. If you think it can go over 8.1, maybe you can play a put option or you can short so that it can come down, or if it comes down even below, you can just buy. But we want to talk about more, right? So first of all, if you look at the volume is 36 million, nothing crazy. If you look day by day volume, we had more volume before, around 80. Now then the volume came down, but back to back 3 days, 11, 18 and 36 million. So if the volume is coming back, that's a good sign. If we can get more than 36 million, then that's a good thing. By the way, this is a very volatile week. Wednesday we will have FOMC meeting with interest rate hike decision. We have Apple earning, Meta earning, very volatile and important week. Okay. The option chain is also very juicy. So let's talk about first of all the stock, right? Oh, the other thing is the short interest. We know it has very high short interest, 67%. No shares available to short. Also cost to borrow is 12%. So always it has very high short interest. So sometimes it runs crazy, 30-40% in one day. Okay. So if I just zoom out, you might like the chart because you can see that we are hitting that 8.1 again. But if we can go over 8.1, come back and bounce from 8.1, 8.2 this particular area, then whatever is the current resistance will become the new support. From there it can really move towards 10, 11.6, who knows, $13, because the short interest is very high. Once the volume will come back, this thing can run. Okay. On the other hand, you can see that 8.1, 8.2 is strong resistance, so there is a possibility it might come down. So keep an eye. If it breaks out, you enter and play it. If it comes down, look for few important areas. Look around these areas because I'm expecting some kind of bounce. 7.3, 7.25 area. If it breaks, it might come back to 6.2. Okay, very nice setup. The other one is COSM. This is another stock we played, and you know how this thing has been running from $3 to $30, came down, up and down, up and down. But recently what it is doing is goes up, comes down, goes up, coming down. But what I see here, some strong resistance, something around 7.35, 7.4. So this thing needs to break, otherwise the stock might come down. If you just draw a trend line, there is a possibility it is breaking that upward trend line, it might come down. So just a caution, right? I'm not saying everything is going to the moon. Yeah, it can go up, but just a caution. Just looking at the chart, I see that you see some kind of rejection. So what we want this to hold around 6.3, 6.5, this particular area, right? Maybe you can see that these areas, right? And you can see it's bouncing over 6.35. See if it can hold, then from 6.35 it can move up again to 7.3 for a 15% move. And last Friday we played COSM for day trading. We got around 11%. Our entry was around 6.5, exit was 7.2. You can see that 6.5, this is the area we are talking about, right? So it's moving within the channel, so you can still make some money just by looking at the upward and downward range, right? So you know the range, you can make money with day trading. At the same time, if something comes down, you can make money. Again, let's say if it breaks 6.4, it might come back to 5.4. We can still do a day trading just for a bounce. So each morning we always come up with a plan. Like before the market, we come up with a plan. We say, okay, this is the ticker, this is our entry one. If entry one is broken, entry two will be your next entry. These are the profit targets. So you can always make money, even though something is coming down on a daily basis. But if you know the support and resistance, still you can make some money for day trading. Anyway, few other things. Let's have a look on COSM, the volume. Let it load. The volume is now 4 million. The volume is less. This is one thing, because I was thinking more volume will come, but you can see the volume is dying. And if the volume is dying, this is worrying, because you can see the price is having a top around 7.4. The volume is coming down. Just do not be too ultra bullish, because if the volume is gone, this thing might come down. But if you go to Ortex, you might see something interesting here. Let's have a look on Ortex. So if I click on shorts, it's gonna show me the short interest. Let's wait for that. So 5.3%, nothing crazy. Cost to borrow 193%, nothing crazy. Anyway, just wanted to flag this because this thing is looking, it might come down unless there is no volume, right? If there is volume comes, then it can move. But very exciting with CVNA. Also, please check my other videos on ticker symbol GNS. I made a video on GNS looking good, and the other one is BGFD, and this thing is crazy, 200% move. So anyway, each morning, as you know, we always come up with a plan. You can see each day we pick some good movers. You can see the green here with big numbers, big numbers. So each day we update, and these are the big moves we are making. And yeah, just go to my website and come to my Patreon, join the package, $15 per month. That's the recommended one. Come here, make some money. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.